'Cause your love is my drug.
This is our own ending of Wedded Song. Boy loves me. Hey, have you seen Boy?
He is at the canteen. Do you want me to call him?
No. Can you just please give this to him?
You sure you don't want to give it to him personally?
No, just tell him that's my reply to his letter.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey man, check it out. What's this? It's from Ida.
From Ida?
Yeah.
Let's meet at the park. I love you. Yes! Ida loves me. Hi. Sorry to keep you waiting.
No, it's alright. Actually, it just arrived. Have you received my letter?
Oh yes, Jet gave it to me. And I was shocked with what I found out.
Ibig na kaya pareho ang nagdarama. Ito ba ang simula? Di na magpipigil at